Well, good morning. What a beautiful morning it is too. Today, we're going to work on the work table that goes right here that's going to serve our two drying racks for our garlics and onions. Small table, it's going to be easy to work and take care of our onions when we're curing them, when I can work on them. And this makes it convenient to do it right here in place, right in the drying area. So let's head on over yonder to the shop, take a look at the little old sketch we got. It's a very simple little table, but it'll be a quick and easy build, but well worth the time it'll take me to build it, which is only gonna be a few hours. But I need that table to make the ease of taking care of these onions and garlics a breeze. So I'll meet you over at the shop. Be right back.
This video covers vegetable garden drying area part 3 of 4, the work table.
Well, welcome back. Got a nice little build we're going to do today for a small table. It's only about 3 feet wide and 5 feet long and 40 inches high, so it's perfect height to be comfortably standing when I work on my garlic and onions out in the drying area. But I got a little sketch I drew up real quick for you right here. If you come on up right here and we'll take a little quick look at it. This build really ought not to take us more than just a couple hours to do it. It's a nice one for a day like today where I really don't have a lot of time to devote to things, so I can get this done real quick. So let's step up here and take a look at the little build and how we're going to put it together. Well, here's the little sketch I was talking about. This is a top view of the table, and this is a front view, you know, looking at it from this direction. So this is the top, this is the front. The table's only about 5 feet long, 3 feet wide, and about 40 inches tall. That's a good height for standing and working, so that's a good counter height for me. This table's pretty easy to build. It's got 4x4 legs on it, so it'll give me the good weight and stability that I'm always looking for, especially when I'm out there in a soft ground in the woods like that. And I'm leaning on it and pushing back and forth on it. I like for it to be good and solid. I don't like for my tables to wiggle around on me. So I used the 4x4 legs, and then I got a 2x4 constructed frame that goes around it. Really not much to it, just like we always build. So it's got you know, the 4 legs, and then 2 sets of rails, and then some intercostal pieces. The only thing different about this than all my other builds that you've seen me doing on a simple table is after I put the 5/4 by 6 deck boards, you know, right across the top right here, that'll be deck boards like that. I'm going to come back and put a 3-sided band of 2x6s on the side and on the back and on this side, and I'll raise it up, you know, a couple of inches just above the top of the table. That way when I'm putting my onions in here and I'm messing around with them, they tend to roll around and fall off the table. So I wanted to have that little lip around that 3-sided lip right there, so when I'm working on the onions and they're rolling around, they don't roll off on the ground and bruise themselves up. So I got I'm going to put that on last. So let's go ahead and get these things cut out. It's all pressure treated lumber, of course, since it's going to be outside. And let's put this thing together, and we'll have ourselves a little work table for our drying area. So if you want to build one of these for yourself, you know, of course, we'll put the sketches on our Facebook page. They're just rough sketches. There ain't nothing fancy about them. But we'll download that onto our Facebook, or upload it onto our Facebook page, and you can download the image if you want to build one yourself. So let's get this show on the road. Well, there we go. Got ourselves a little work table for the drying area for our onions and our garlic. And I hope you had fun tagging along with me today on this little quick project. Only took a couple hours, so that's really not a bad little table to build. It's pretty easy, and it's going to serve a good purpose for many years. But you can see, take a good look around it. It's got plenty of square footage on the surface area. I got plenty of room to work. If I'm using the top of this and I'm working with onions and they're rolling around like they always do, I like the little edge that goes around the top that keeps them from rolling off on the ground, which is not very fun. But this will solve that problem, and we'll be able to use this table for many years to come. So we're looking forward to going out there and growing something and putting it on this table. We're getting closer every day, friends. I appreciate you hanging with us while we bring this place alive. I know it's been a long journey, but it's been a big project. It's the biggest thing I've ever worked on. So we're almost there. So hang with us. We're gonna get to some good garden and vegetable videos here very quickly. So until me and Nancy see you next time, we always want to remember, by his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.